Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you love looking at beautiful birds every day like I do, then you have to check out this awesome bird feeder from Toaocrs. This thing is so amazing because not only does it attract the birds, but it also keeps squirrels out. It has a gravity activated system on the perches. When it feels a little bit of extra weight, it automatically closes the food dispensers. So the squirrels cannot access all the food that I have put in there for the birds, which I thought was super cool. This bird feeder has a really nice large capacity and it is extremely sturdy. The metal frame design gives it durability, and the 4 perches located around the bottom allow the birds to easily access food all the way around the feeder. We personally have this suspended on a shepherd's hook in our backyard, and whether I take it off to fill it or I fill it directly from here, it has a really nice large opening that I can pour the food right into. One thing I have noticed as well is those squirrels have not even tried to get in it. On multiple occasions, I've seen it just walking around or staying on the bottom, so I really appreciate that. They know they can't access this food. We place this feeder in a position where I can see it from my kitchen table while I'm drinking my morning coffee, or even from our kitchen window while I'm doing the dishes. I have loved being able to look out and just see a variety of birds feeding on this feeder. So if you're looking for a durable, attractive bird feeder that will attract many birds in your backyard, then I would highly suggest checking out this one. You won't be disappointed. But that's just my point of view.